Hello everyone. Hi, how are you guys? This is Iris Delgado from the Worcester Public Library. I'm doing super awesome today. How about you guys? I'm excited because I want to talk today about plants and gardening. And I know I'm no expert in plants and gardening, but ever since I started gardening a few years ago, I've learned a whole lot. And most I've actually learned from, yes, searching online, but the books at the Worcester Public Library Children's Room are truly some of the best ones that have helped me to learn about gardening. And now it's actually going to be summer this weekend, summer starting this weekend, but it's never too late to start planting. And as you can see, it's getting light a lot later in the day, and that's always a wonderful thing for taking care of plants. So I have a lot to talk about today because we have lots of gardening books at the library. And here's an example of our collection, of some of the ones in our collection, from trees to plants to gardening. Enjoy it, and nice to see you once more. So our first book is Let's Garden, a step-by-step instruction by Clara Lindstrom and Anna Karen Nyberg. Do you know how easy it is to plant seeds and how cool it is to see what grows from them? In this book, you'll find great step-by-step ideas and projects for creating your own green paradise. Our next book, Dig In, 12 Easy Gardening Projects Using Kitchen Scraps by Carrie Carnell. Grow your own fruits and vegetables from nothing but kitchen scraps. Instead of throwing away your leftovers in your kitchen, learn how to use them to grow more. This one also has the step-by-step instructions and recipes that are easy to follow along in this book and will help you enjoy the fruits of your labor. All that hard work will pay off once you see everything growing. So this one is Gardening with Emma. Grow and Have Fun, a kit-to-kit guide by Emma Biggs. This 13-year-old young girl, Emma Biggs, is passionate about gardening and eager to share her passion with all the other kids. That's why she wrote her own book, but not without the help of her gardener dad, Steve. Gardening with Emma is a kit-to-kit guide, like I said, to growing healthy food and raising the coolest, most awesome plants while making sure to have plenty of fun doing so. My next book I truly love, especially the cover, because it feels like almost like the material of this beautiful outside tablecloth. It's almost like fabricy. It's just beautiful. So this book is Plant, Sow, Make, and Grow Mud-tastic Activities for Budding Gardeners by Esther Combs. For all you little gardeners out there, start growing and learning with this easy way of creating yummy fruit, veggie, and bug-friendly flowers. You'll find plenty of handy gardening information to get you started, tips about the wildlife you may see, rating your recycling box to make some useful gardening accessories, and other craft activities. The author, Esther Combs. Esther Forbes is also an author, but she's no longer around. Esther Combs mentions what you need to get started, but also activities that she says before you start, it's helpful to have a plan. To make one, you need to know how much space you have and what you want to be growing. So grab some seeds and have a go. My last book is called my first gardening book, and it's actually a really great one. I left this one for last because I really love it. It's 35 easy and fun projects for budding gardeners, and this is I'm trying to find out who it's by, but actually I'm not seeing the author on the cover. My first gardening book. If you're learning to become a gardener, you can discover how to plant and grow well with my first gardening book. Learn to grow successfully, discover creative ways to decorate your garden, and also enjoy indoor garden crafts on rainy days. So I love this last book because it's complete with so many ways to plant, to decorate, and to have fun doing gardening crafts. So here's a little secret. There's even a Tyrannosaurus garden. Did you get that? Tyrannosaurus garden for all you fans of Tyrannosaurus. And that's right. You can create a prehistoric garden scenery here, along with so many other different sceneries. So it's such a fun book to have and to use. I didn't flip through so many other books, but maybe this one will entice you. It's got a lot of great stuff. Each page or two, it's one area, easy to read with all kinds of beautiful illustrations and pictures, along with the other ones that I also mentioned. They're all beautiful books, and this is just a sampling, so make sure that you look for others that we may carry in our collection. So many other ones that you can choose from, but we also have a lot of picture books, stories, and also chapter books on the topics of plants and planting, which might be enjoyable reading just for the fun of it. So make sure you look for stories as well. I've added a link at the end of this video that lists all the books I just mentioned. Also included, I included a variety of picture books for young children. Don't forget that you can now pick up books at the library with our curbside service, even though the library building is closed. You can find more information about this service on our website or Facebook page, and you can also look for gardening books to read online. We've been doing this for quite a while as well. Check our list of ebooks, electronic books, by going to our website and clicking Children and Families, and then clicking ebooks. I hope you have enjoyed our talk today. I sure have. I love being outside. I love nature. I love the earth, and that you have had a chance to also enjoy the sun like I have. I truly enjoy doing all these videos for our community and hope to do some more in the future and be with you again in nature and the outdoors soon. Take care, everyone. Be safe. Have a good day.